Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and remove someone from your best friend list on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. So let's go ahead and open up our Snapchat app first. Once we have opened our Snapchat app, we're simply going to find this kind of interface over here, right? So the best friend, we make that person best friend, we give that title, and if you would like to remove that a person's title from it, what we have an option is, so we go to our profile first, go to this option called my friends, and we will be able to see our best friends over there in the list, right? So if you would like to remove that person, we simply have an option of either unadding that person or blocking that person from our entire Snapchat. That person will be gone with the title as well. Other thing is that if you stop interacting, because it gives you the ranking, if you stop interacting with a person often, right, so it will simply go down, and the best friend title will be gone. So basically the two options is like stop interacting with that user, or simply the other one is removing that friend or unadding or blocking that friend from your Snapchat entirely is the solution. That is the solution for you all. So unfortunately guys, this is basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.